Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Beautybigbang have very kindly sent me 6 stamping plates to swatch and review, so a big thank you to them for sending them to me. I'm going to break this down into 3 videos. Each video I'll be swatching and reviewing 2 of the stamping plates. As always, you can find links to these stamping plates along with Beautybigbang's Instagram page in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper. I'll be starting with Beautybigbang XL-011. I also have 6 coloured nail tips I'll be swatching onto. I'm going to be taking 3 swatches from each plate. And to begin with, I'll be using a green nail tip along with a light green stamping polish. I am applying a little more polish than I would normally as these images are quite long. But this image looks amazing and it's so pretty. Great for spring and summer nails. On to the next swatch, and I have a coral coloured nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. For me personally, I want to colour this image in. I think it would really come to life. I would probably use tinted polishes. That's definitely one I want to do a mani with in the future. And I love that this is not a full image too. It is just beautiful. On to the next swatch, and I'll be using a blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. So with these smaller images, any excess I pick up I will remove before placing down. Now when I placed this down, I didn't realise the tip was the wrong way round. However, this image, it really doesn't matter as it looks great either way round, to be fair. Moving on to Beautybigbang XL-012, and for my first swatch I'll be using a nude nail tip along with a rusty brown stamping polish. Again, with this image, any excess I'll remove before I place down. This image has a lot of detail, from the owl to even the little flowers. It is such a cute little design, and even on long nails there's still space to add some extra detail. On to the next swatch, and I'll be using a yellow nail tip along with an orange stamping polish. When I did this swatch, I almost wanted to add another stamp of the image over the top in red, but slightly moved over a little bit. Just to give it some depth, I think it would look really cool. I might have to try that, but it's a beautiful image though. Moving on to the next, and I'll be using a silver nail tip along with a black stamping polish. I don't own many browns, so when I have owl plates or plates like this, I do have to use slightly different than the normal browns. But again, the owl has some beautiful detail and it really shows really well with the black. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these 2 Beautybigbang stamping plates. Beautybigbang XL-011 is flower inspired and absolutely stunning. It has 12 large style designs along with 5 smaller designs on the side. With these little images, they would be great for colouring in as decals or reverse stamping or even tinted polishes. I love the mix of images it has, from the amazing tree to the lady to the floral to the patterns. Beautybigbang XL-011 really does have a lot to offer. The stamper I used for these swatches was my Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper, and they have stamped brilliantly. A couple of them I was a little concerned because there was just so much detail really close together, but I'm so happy with them. I had nothing to worry about. These are my first rectangular stamping plates from Beautybigbang. I have had some of their smaller ones before in the past, but I love the size of the images. I personally prefer longer images, especially when my nails are as long as they are right now. I did, however, have some trouble with my thumb, and this has nothing to do with the stamping plate. It's because my thumbnail bed is so wide. When you see the mani, I've actually had to patch it in places as it didn't fill my thumbnail completely. I'll just have to remember that for future manis. If you love floral stamping plates, then you'll love this one. So for this mani, I had a neon yellow greeny coloured nail polish that needed a mani, and I thought it would work well. So I've used two different images and I've stamped in a teal green stamping polish. For me, this is a very different colour combo, but I absolutely love how the stamping looks. It has definitely toned down that neon yellow, that's for sure, but I love this. Beautybigbang XL-012 is owl inspired, and as I said earlier, I don't have many like this in my collection, so I was excited to use it. There is 7 large designs along with 8 smaller owls, and then there is 6 owl faces and 2 large open designs. Beautybigbang XL-012 is totally packed. From the large open design, I have taken 3 swatches, but to be fair, I could have taken a few more. The stampers I've used for Beautybigbang XL-012 is my Tiffany Duo stamper for the large designs, and then my Clear Jelly Stamper Crystal Double-Ended Stamper for the smaller designs. Again, there is so much detail within each image, and there was 2 on the top line that I did have my worries about because there was a lot of detail so packed together. However, just like 011, it's turned out so well. I'm not sure how I would use the owl faces in a mani. That's something that I definitely want to do in a future mani. I had so much inspiration from just these 2 plates alone. I just don't have enough fingers to create them. I also think of owl plates as autumn fall season, and I definitely know that I have a lot of deep dark nail polishes that will work really well with Beautybigbang XL-012. Again, XL-012 was super easy to work with. To tell you how easy they were to work with, I had swatched all 6 of these stamping plates in one afternoon. For this mani, I had an orange nail polish needing a mani. I always think of oranges, browns and reds for owls, but I decided to stamp in a burgundy instead, and I love the outcome. I've used a mix of small images and large ones, but in total I've used 4 different images to create this mani, which I love. Again, I did have to patch my thumb, which didn't work out so well with the lines, but I was using my non-dominant hand to stamp with, but I really do like this mani. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link to Beautybigbang and my Instagram page in the description box below. Again, a massive thank you to Beautybigbang for sending me these stamping plates to swatch and review. Thank you for watching my swatch review on these 2 Beautybigbang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.